Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. In this session of our GK revision series, we present 75 MCQs on the famous temples of India. Let's begin the revision. Where is Ramappa temple situated? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. The recently constructed Ayodhya Ram Mandir is located on the bank of which river? Right answer is option C, Sarayu River. Which temple is also known as the Khajuraho of Vidarbha? Correct answer is option B, Markandeshwar Temple. Who built the Brihadeshwara Temple of Tanjore? Right answer is option C, Rajaraja Chola the First. In which city is the Tungnath Temple located? Right answer is option B, Chamoli, Uttarakhand. The Virupaksha Temple is located in. Right answer is option B, Hampi, Karnataka. Where is the Padmanabhaswamy temple located? Right answer is option C, Kerala. What is the stone like disc seen at the top of temples in Orissa called? Correct answer is option B, Amalaka. Where is the Lotus temple located? Right answer is option B, Delhi. Who among the following attacked the Somnath temple? Right answer is option C, Mahmud of Ghazni. Where is the Akshardham temple located? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Which temple is known as the Black Pagoda? Right answer is option B, Konark Sun Temple. Which dynasty built the Nataraja temple in Tamil Nadu? Right answer is option C, Chola dynasty. Where is the Kailash temple of Ellora located? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. Which temple is situated in Tamil Nadu? Correct answer is option A, Shore Temple. Where is Prem Mandir located? Right answer is option C, Mathura. Where is Gangotri Temple located? Correct answer is option B, Uttarkashi. The rock cut temples of Mahabalipuram belong to which dynasty? Correct answer is option D, Pallava dynasty. In which state is the Somnath temple located? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Who established the Sringeri Mutt in Karnataka? Right answer is option B, Adi Shankaracharya. The Gatkalika Devi temple is located in which city? Right answer is option A, Ujjain. The Venkateshwara temple is located in. Right answer is option B, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Where is Vaishno Devi temple located? Right answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. The Chardham Highway project connects four holy places Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, and Yamunotri, located in which state? Right answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Where is the Mahabodhi temple situated? Right answer is option A, Bihar. Where is the Minakshi Amman temple located? Right answer is option B, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. In which state is the Siddhivinayak temple located? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. The Shore temple at Mahabalipuram was built by. Right answer is option B, Narasimhavarman II. Which rulers built the Ellora temples? Right answer is option C, Rashtrakutas. Thrissur Puram festival is celebrated in which temple? Right answer is option C, Padakunnathan temple. In which state is the Jagannath Puri temple located? Right answer is option A, Odisha. Where do you find the temple of Angkor Wat? Right answer is option C, Cambodia. The caves and rock cut temples at Ellora represent which faiths? Right answer is option D, all of the above: Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Who built the famous Vaikunta Perumal temple at Kanchipuram? Right answer is option B, Nandi Varman II. The Lingaraja temple is located in. Right answer is option A, Bhubaneswar. The temple built in 1100 AD, dominating other temples in Bhubaneswar is. Right answer is option C, Tribhuvaneshwara Lingaraja temple. The Sri Ramanatha Swami temple is located in. Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Where is the Kashi Vishwanath temple located? Right answer is option C, Varanasi. In which state is the Brihadeshwarar temple located? Correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Who began the Vesara style of temple architecture? Right answer is option C, Chalukya dynasty. In which state is the Kamakhya temple located? Right answer is option C, Assam. To which deity is the Ramanatha Swami temple primarily dedicated? Correct answer is option B, Lord Shiva. Which dynasty built the Khajuraho temples? Right answer is option C, Chandela dynasty. In which state is the Golden Temple located? Right answer is option C, Punjab. Which festival is associated with Kamakhya temple in Guwahati? Right answer is option B, Ambubachi festival. The Dashavatra temple is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. The Virupaksha temple was built by. Right answer is option A, Chalukyas. Where is the Namdroling Mutt located? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. Who built the Krishnaswamy temple in Hampi? Correct answer is option B, Krishnadevaraya. Which temple is known as the Golden Temple? Right answer is option B, Sri Harmandir Sahib. The Raja Rani temple is located in which city? Right answer is option A, Bhubaneswar. In which state is the Murudeshwar temple located? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. The Dilwara temples are located in. Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Kedarnath temple is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Uttarakhand. In which state is the Khajuraho temple situated? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Tawang monastery located? Right answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. The Gangotri temple, the origin of the river Ganga, is in which state? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. In which state is the Sabrimala Sri Dharma Sastha temple located? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. The Dilwara temples were built by the followers of which religion? Correct answer is option C, Jainism. The famous Kailasanath temple at Kanchi was built by. Correct answer is option B, Narasimhavarman II. The Rath temples at Mahabalipuram were built during the reign of. Right answer is option A, Narasimhavarman I. The Sun Temple of Konark is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Odisha. Where is the Sri Ranganatha Swami temple located? Correct answer is option C, Sri Rangam, Tamil Nadu. In which state is the Ramtek monastery located? Right answer is option B, Sikkim. The Shore Temple at Mahabalipuram is an example of which architectural style? Right answer is option C, Dravidian style. The Gopuram is a prominent feature in which temple architecture? Correct answer is option B, Dravidian. Most of the Chola temples were dedicated to which deity? Correct answer is option B, Lord Shiva. Where is the Mundeshwari temple located? Correct answer is option C, Kaimur, Bihar. What is unique about the deity at the Kamakhya temple? Right answer is option A, worships a yoni symbol. Dakshineshwar temple is situated on the bank of which river? Correct answer is option B, Hooghly River. What is the primary deity of the Mahabodhi temple? Right answer is option B, Lord Buddha. Who administers the management of the Tirupati Venkateshwara temple? Correct answer is option B, TTD Trust, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. Which festival is famously celebrated at the Jagannath Puri temple? Correct answer is option B, Rath Yatra. Which temple is renowned for its musical pillars that produce musical notes? Right answer is option C, Vittala Temple, Hampi. Which temple in India is dedicated to the sun god and shaped like a chariot? Right answer is option A, Konark Sun Temple. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.